Hmm. Silverstream. Silverstream, I am very disappointed in you. I know. You could have been killed. You defied my orders. And what's worse, you got me in a tangle with my own fellow soldiers. I was just scared for that pony's life. You saw her in shackles, didn't you? Silver, this isn't the Empire. She wasn't going to be whipped or anything. But your actions almost got you both killed. I just didn't want her to suffer through what I did. I understand. You do? Yes. I know how cruel the Empire can be. I guess I reacted with my emotions, didn't I? Yeah. But you know what? What? I think you gave them quite the tackling. That's because nobody messes with your dad. Come here, you. Come on! Gotcha! Mr. Hawk? We're pals, right? Right. And we'll always be together, right? Silverstream, let me tell you something my parents once told me. Look at the stars. The founders of Equestria looked down on us from those stars. Really? Yes. So whenever you feel alone, just remember that our ancestors will always be there to guide you. And so will I. But I can't see them. Keep looking, Silver. Keep looking.